Does your next project have a zipper in it? If so, avoid this common mistake.
I was making a prototype recently, and after I installed the zipper, it only slid smoothly in one direction. I found there was so much resistance because the chain and zipper pull were not oriented correctly. By the way, everything I talk about here is for metal zippers. It doesn't apply for coil or molded tooth zippers. The way I remember it is that there are these small nubs on each tooth that point in one direction. The only way the zipper will work properly is if the nubs on both sides are pointing the same direction. And that seems simple enough, but where I went wrong was when installing the zipper pull. On this orange prototype, I installed it facing in the wrong direction. The flat backside of the pull was going in the direction of those nubs. Man, I'm really having to say nubs a lot in this video. I like to think of the zipper nubs and the front of the zipper pull as arrows, which all need to point the same direction. And when installed this way, the zipper feels and sounds way better. These are both easy enough to remember, but projects can get hectic. So here's how I help myself remember. So when you get your zipper, it'll most likely be connected. So before I disconnect it to sew each side into the bag, I mark a dot on the flange of each side of the zipper, as well as a small arrow to indicate the direction the zipper pull should travel. So even as things get shuffled around throughout a project, when it comes time to assemble everything, the only thing I have to think about is pairing the two dots together. If you're new working with zippers, I hope this little tip helps take some of the guesswork out of it because they can be intimidating. So don't let zippers slow you down. Find all the zipper supplies and tools you need at Sailrite.com.
This simple practice can help you avoid some pretty frustrating mistakes next time you're working with metal coil zippers. If you learned something, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. And if you like this bag that we were demonstrating with today, this is what we're making next. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching.